I was scrolling through the internet the other day and I saw this video with Angela Stanton-King, but you need to listen to this and see what she's saying about Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. You're not going to hear this on mainstream media. They're not going to play this type of stuff. They don't want you to know. Check this out and tell me what you think. I would like to read some of the comments.
We're in a day and age where people are more concerned about the racism that they're never going to be able to rid, right, than they are about the pedophilia that's sleeping itself through our government, right? That's an issue for me. And I think that when you ask people what type of policy is Kamala Harris running on, they can't say anything. The only reason they want to vote for her is because she's black. And then what? She didn't choose black when it was time for her to preserve the black family, but I'm supposed to believe that I'm supposed to choose black for her to preserve the black family in the White House. We're not doing that. If she didn't have to choose black, then we don't have to choose black either. So we need to get off of this whole thing, oh, they're just going to do something for us because they're black. But the fact that you are on an HBCU tour telling young black women to abort their children while you're raising white children, that's the issue for me.
Hold on. I just want to jump back. And she was on her HBCU tours.
Yeah.
She's promoting abortion?
Yeah.
Like directly? Is it?
She wasn't at Yale. She wasn't at Dartmouth. She wasn't at, Princeton. She was at the HBCUs at a tour, a reproductive rights tour, telling young black women to abort their children while she's raising her white husband's two white children. So why are we sacrificing our children for other children?
But what word does she use? She wasn't out there saying abortion, was she?
I mean, what is reproductive rights? What is reproductive rights? Everything they've ever told us, we know that it's backwards, right? So what is reproductive rights? Let's be real. What is it? Right. Your right to do what? Kill a baby, because it ain't your right to have one. Okay? So whether they change the word, they make it nice, like before it was, colored women. Now they saying women of color. Right? It's the same thing, they just changed the words, right? It's supposed to be birth control, but it's really control birth to control the birth rate, right? It's supposed to be Planned Parenthood, but it's really Parenthood planned, okay? God planned for you to have this baby at this time, but now you're gonna let these people tell you, no, God ain't on time. I'm gonna send that one back and have another one when I'm ready. Planned Parenthood is Parenthood paying. It ain't God's design.
Why do you disagree with people who say that Donald Trump is not a racist?
I just don't believe that the man is a racist. This is just my personal belief because I have a personal relationship with Donald J. Trump, okay? And it's beyond the media, it's beyond any type of, clips that somebody may have cut and tried to put something or perceive something a different way. If any of us do our research, we know that Donald Trump wasn't accused of being a racist prior to his run for office. Donald Trump was at the Michael Jackson trial with him every single day. I mean, Donald Trump ran with some of everybody, Diddy, 50 Cent. He's on the Wu-Tang Clan album. This is the same Donald Trump that when Jennifer Hudson's family was murdered, he put her up for 6 months, in Trump Tower. This is the same Trump that sent his private jet, all the way over to get Nelson Mandela when he was released from prison. This is the same Trump that gave me a full and unconditional pardon, pardoned Kwame Kilpatrick, released 3,100 people from prison, in one day, July 19th, 2019. I mean, if that's the type of racism we have to deal with, I'll take it, But one of the things I don't agree with, is his position on giving immunity, to all police officers. I don't think that we're going to agree with any candidate, on everything. And that's another reason why I'm independent now. And, I'm campaigning 100% for Robert F. Kennedy Jr. because what I've discovered is neither party gives a shit about us. Okay? And we need to become independent with our votes and collectively come together and vote for what's best for our community. And aborting our children and castrating our sons ain't what's best for our community.